from day one of CloudKick, the premise was pretty simple, which was let's build these tools that we see every company needing over and over again, and let's just do it in the best way possible, and let's make it as easy as possible to use. And that's been a mission for a long time now.
Y Combinator is basically the whole premise is you get technology guys together and you try to seed. They have an idea, and then you try to basically what Y Combinator does is they come in and give you a little bit of money. They try to help you develop your idea into an actual business. Paul Graham, the mentor there, the main guy there, basically helped us kind of take our idea from just this is something interesting to this is something people want. That's the whole motto of YC is make something people want.
You know, a lot of people think that the kind of startups we fund are all some kind of social media thing. And the reason is the social media startups, by their nature, if they succeed at all, get enormous numbers of users, and therefore they get more attention, right? So even though CloudKick was always there and very successful in its world, it was down in the plumbing of the internet. And it was working behind the scenes in a lot of very popular sites. But their name wouldn't be known to end users. It would be known to the guys who are running servers, right? There have always been a lot more companies like that than anyone realizes. They just don't end up being as famous.
The past 2 years has almost been that quintessential Silicon Valley experience in that, we started in a garage, which in our case was a living room, and we small team of us bootstrapped the product and launched it, and then went out and tried to raise some money, and we eventually we got there and we were able to do it. And once we sort of had additional backing, it's really when the product started to take off and get a life of its own. And so we've had a great little ride. I mean, you see we have infrastructure now, and we have big customers signing up, and folks like Rackspace interested, and so it's been a great experience so far, and the Y Combinator was the beginning of all of that for sure.
The CloudKick show that you can be nice guys and still succeed, right? And they also show that it's a good sign if you're building something that other startups use, right? Because startups are the most demanding types of users. They're really sophisticated and they're really cheap. So whoever owns the startups today owns all the users tomorrow.